I wanted to be a builder because I wanted to work with my hands. I wanted to build something that lasts forever. Like someone's going to live in that house, they're going to raise a family, they're going to age in that house, and they're going to create a ton of memories. And if it's built exactly the way they want, I wanted to be that individual that I can build that house for them. When you're 11 years old and you want to be a builder, you don't just go to school to be a builder. What I decided to do was become a carpenter first, learn how to actually work with my hands, build something with my hands, get into framing, and then there's a progression. So you start off as a framer, then you move into like a business owner, then you become a builder, then a builder that has some growth.
I kind of watched a few videos and saw who you were and the way you ran your business.
I've always been a huge advocate for quality and speed. Repetition is really important because you don't have to think about what you're doing next. It becomes automatic, it becomes habit. Finding staff for your construction company is definitely one of the biggest pain points, besides finding good quality workers. That's also very difficult. What program do I use to write a contract? But you always want to send it off to a legal professional that's got your back and can support your contract. Here's what we're going to touch on: building the process of making this timeline.
Over the past month and a half. So this could be something to help like link that in and make it better.
This is a low bridge. Don't stand up. 9'7" and what the heck?